What was the project approach roadmap for this, I would say, massive project, in fact? And when I say massive, I'm thinking about all those countries that you had to support it in a couple of years.
So yeah, we started with everything out of the box in Fluent Commerce. Right, we just want to start rolling out OMS to our pilot markets. We decided, so the approach is then we decided three pilot markets that we want to roll out OMS to, and then we decided also to just keep the complexity very very low, and then just roll out with whatever Fluent Commerce have already provided uh, in the system. So we roll out three markets in the span of 4 months, and then we started learning as well. We started picking up the knowledge on how to use, how to develop, or how to flexibly manage OMS and its processes. And this has proven as well to be the right approach for us because in the span of 4 months, we really built all the knowledge related to OMS. We rolled out OMS and we learned a lot as well. And then the next 6 months, basically, for us then to build functionalities, to improve processes, to ensure that processes or order fulfillment processes can reflect the operations process that we have in all the countries. And then we are on the way in rolling out OMS to all markets in the next 2 months. So um, after the initial MVP process, we built OMS in a way that it could reflect our operations. And then once we reach certain level of processes, then we can roll out OMS to all markets. So it take us 1.5 years exactly to actually just to prepare everything and then to ensure everything will work out for all markets. So basically, hopefully at the end of March, we will be able to roll out OMS to all markets that we have in EMA.
Yeah, so in fact, in 18 months, you will be covering your 30 regions and four markets, in fact, four main markets in the world, correct?
Exactly, yes, yeah. So, yeah, after just 1 year, exactly, we are going to roll out OMS to one of the biggest market that we have, French market, hopefully next week. Uh, um, and afterwards, the other markets as well.
Yeah, so alors what I heard is very interesting, Aif. In fact, I mean, if we can spot main keywords, that would be, first of all, going on an MVP approach,
Yes.
selecting the markets. So selecting the, I would say, the reduced risk markets like opening countries like Central and South America, building out a core model. That's very important. And the second, and the last one, obviously, is the agile approach. You mentioning sprints. So agile approach is very fundamental, and this is what those state-of-the-art technology like Fluent Commerce are providing to the market, comparing to the old technology like legacy systems.
So yeah, basically just ensure that the risk is very minimal, right, when rolling out OMS, so it doesn't really touch up a lot of orders or revenues in general. Once we rolled out OMS to Mexico as our third pilot market, we see that okay, we can expand OMS by just creating the core processes for all markets, and then we were able to do that basically from Mexico to now. It has been uh, 9 months that we have been building the core processes and also core functionalities that we are ready to actually roll out to all markets. So we have been testing all processes then since last March, and then we know exactly that okay, we have getting to know what are the core processes that we need to build, and we have been building them, and then we are ready to roll out to all the markets.